All right, my beautiful Redmi Note 13 Pro phone users, or any of the Redmi Note 13 phone users, in today's video, I want to show you where to find the app lock feature, how to enable it, how to set it up, and how to hide your apps. Well, not hide them, actually lock them away, okay? So instead of getting yourself some kind of app locker, the phone comes with one, and let's do it. When you're ready to do this, use the quick panel access, and you'll tap on the settings gear icon right there. This is with HyperOS, by the way, and when you're here now, the fastest way to this feature is going into the search settings, type in the words app lock. And as you type that in, you will see the suggestion right there, okay? Just go ahead and tap on that one time and you'll be taken to this here from the initial startup section. So you will need to press that. This is gonna happen and you will need to choose your password style. Okay, this is different from the password on your lock screen. So if you have that set up already, you will not use the same thing. Okay, it's different. So you can choose to connect the dots and it says at least 4 dots here. Or if you want a different style, go to where it says change password right here. And you can choose another type of password if you want to. So for me, I'm just gonna go with the PIN. And when you enter your PIN for the first time, this is gonna happen and you wanna choose something secure. Don't do what I'm doing right now, okay? So I'm just gonna go with 1, 2, 3, 4, something basic, and then next, and here we go again. You'll have to put it in twice. Make sure you write this down because it's either you sync it with your email or yeah, like if you don't know it, that's it, you lose it, right? So next, and then it's gonna ask you to sign in and add, okay? If you don't wanna do this now, it's up to you. You can just go with not now, but you can't go back and do it later on. Just wait for the countdown so you can proceed to the next part without signing in. And now you are able to use your app lock, okay? So at default, it's going to have 9 apps will be protected. Therefore, you showing you these 9 apps here. So it's 9 in all, and these are the ones that are locked for you at default. So just go ahead with use it. And then when you're in this part here now, you can choose to set up with your fingerprint. So if you have your fingerprint set up already, you can come here and set up your fingerprint. It's up to you, okay? But I'm just gonna cancel that for now. Now there are some important settings here to notice, okay? Before I show you how to lock the rest of the apps here, this settings icon right there to the top here, when you go into that, this is gonna give you more options for your app lock. And it's really important to know that when you come here, this second part here, when device is locked, that means the only time that app is going to re-enter into the app lock mode is after you lock screen your phone. But if you want it to lock after exiting it, you'll go with this option here. And then if you want it when device is locked in 1 minute or after exiting the app, you go with that. But I would recommend this one here, okay? Because this basically means when you exit the app out, it's going to re-enter into that lock mode again, which is what you really want to do, okay? And then you got the hiding of the notifications. So maybe you're locking the app and you don't want nobody to know what's going on in that app. You also want to hide the notifications for it to be appear. So if you have maybe messages locked, you also want to hide the notifications from here as well. Now, other than that, you can use a few more other options for your biometrics to unlock it, unlock your apps using your fingerprint and the face unlock if you have that set, okay? Also, you can change the password type, but you can only do this when you know your password, okay? So once you forget your password, I mean, that's it. You forgot it, bro. But yeah, I was gonna say bro, but yeah. So you can only do that from here, okay? And then add your Xiaomi account. This is where you can add your account to reset your password if ever. So I would recommend doing this. If you know yourself, you'll be locked out eventually and you forgot it, okay? So once again, these are basically the same settings that I showed you earlier. And here now is where you can lock the apps. So everything that's turned on means these apps are locked. And the ones that's not turned on, it's not locked, okay? So you can go back down the list and lock them, all right? And then I'm just gonna show you quickly. So like for the messages or the browser one here, I'll go to the browser one quickly and show you how that's gonna work, okay? So this is how it's gonna look, okay? You're gonna be able to, put in your PIN, and if you have your fingerprint, you can use that, or your face unlock, you can use that, okay? So, all right, and what I was saying earlier is that when you close out the app and you go back to it, with that setting that I showed you, you can have it locked as soon as you exit it out, okay? And of course, you can go back to the app lock and change those settings at any given time, but every time you re-enter into it, you will need to put in your password, like in tab.